So this is the end result. They look so nice. I think this one's the normal one. I'm only using a little bit. It's not really crunchy. I just added foam beads because I thought it felt nice. But you can still make it. And if you have leftovers, just mix them together and see what texture this makes. This one makes a really nice fluffy / normal texture. And I have this one, which is glittery slime. This is the slime inside of it. This is normal slime. But yeah, it's really nice. I'll show you this slime tomorrow. But yeah, this one was really nice. I really liked it. And this is the fluffy one. It was really nice. So there were the end results. I hope you guys really liked them. See you soon.